All right, so what's going on, everyone? I am predicting a sell in PayPal stock before it crashes. Now, why would I say such a thing? Why would I title this video like that? Because the chart is telling me that. Welcome everyone to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information and my content. This is what I do. I am here to give you all a different viewpoint of how to look at the market. All right, so if you guys want to join me, like I said, keep it locked here. So now let's talk about PayPal, because we already got a price prediction on our chart. We were looking for the market and PayPal to go up, and it ran across some issues. Yes. So that could be one reason why I'm calling a sell in PayPal, is because when you look at this market in PayPal, that daily price bar right here and this one is telling me that somebody was selling a lot of PayPal within that price. Yes. I mean, what can I tell you? We cannot exactly know where sellers will be and where buyers will be. Now, we have a high confidence of where they could be, but in this particular situation, we had our sell pocket in PayPal up there around $94.50 to $95.78. Like, that's what we were looking for them to be. But those sellers came in a lot sooner. They came in right here. Okay. So that's a sell pocket. All right. Why would I say it's a sell pocket? Because when price came to this pocket right there, look at that, on December the 17th, the immediate reaction was what? Shoo, price came right down. That's because sellers were overpowering the stock price. Then again, January the 17th, what happened? Buyers pushed price to the pocket. What the sellers do, they took control of the ball and they ran the market all the way down. That's the reason why I'm looking for PayPal to sell. Now, before a crash, I'm saying that because, as we can see on these buy pockets, this is a last place right there that we need to see these buyers maintain price. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. Now, earnings in PayPal came out. You guys can see on earnings day, 13.17% down. Okay, down. So our price prediction did not bode well. The one that we had in December, 15.22% loss right there. Let's get rid of it. Now, it may not be a bad prediction, only under the premise if we see the buyers in PayPal hold this. If they do that, then yeah, our prediction will still be valid. Okay, let's get rid of it though. Now, let's look at the market in PayPal on a couple of different time frames, because we want to see, okay, what are the chances that PayPal will hold that pocket? If the chances are high, then we'll put on another prediction, look for the market to go up. But if we don't think the chances are high, then we're going to look for price to crash and go lower. I mean, think about it. Our next target for PayPal would be all the way down here towards $70. That's the next pocket of buying that we got here on our chart. It might be a little bit higher though. We'll have to look at this on the 330. Let me see. I don't know. Back on the daily. Let's see what are the chances though. So looking at PayPal on the 2. Okay. Right now, you can see buyers trying to come to the market in PayPal, right? Now, I think even if we do see price in PayPal go up, it's not going to be sustained. It's not going to last long because of that 2-day price bar that my arrow is pointing up to. Don't forget that 2-day price bar. Okay. This is just an opportunity for those who think PayPal is a buy to come in and buy now. Like when market goes down, this is where people say buy the dip. So these are the people in PayPal that's trying to buy this dip, not knowing that the market could continue to dip and go lower. So these people who are believing that this is a buying opportunity, they're going to get caught on the wrong side of the market because they didn't see this 2-day price bar right here. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing right there. Okay. Now, buying the dip opportunity is not bad so long as you know when to get off the ship before it continues to sink. All right. So, for instance, if you bought the market in PayPal down here on this 2 on the low, and you're selling it up there around $80, maybe a little bit lower, hey, that's how you buy the dip. But if you're buying it just to hold it for the next 6,000 years, then there's no guarantee that PayPal is going to be a lot higher than where it is today. All right, so as of now on the 2, I do see buyers supporting that pocket. I do see it. Here it is on the 3. I can see it here too. So these buyers are like, man, I don't see the sellers. Like, where are the sellers at? I don't think the sellers are right here. I think the sellers in PayPal is right here. So we could see price lift in PayPal all the way up to $83, $84. Cool, no issues. But here it is on the 4. Look at that 4-day bar there. Okay. I'm here to, I got to keep it real with my people. If that pocket don't hold in PayPal, the price will crash. It will go lower. Here it is on the 5. So that's the current test that we are in. That is the environment that PayPal is in right now. It's a test. The sellers are testing the buyers in that pocket to see if they really want price. Because multiple time frames, that is definitely weakness. Look at that 5-day bar. That 5-day bar is telling me don't touch PayPal. Don't think that it's going to go up. And it coincides with the 4. Look at that 4-day price bar. It's telling me don't touch PayPal. Don't buy it. Not yet. What about on the 3? Right there. It's telling you don't touch PayPal. Weekly. Here it is on the 2. Look at that. Here it is on the 3. Look at that. Like, all of this weakness is just being construed on multiple time frames. Then look at that on the 5. Look at that last 5-weekly bar. So, yes, price currently is doing a fantastic job of holding the pocket now. But there's too many time frames that we're seeing weakness. So I cannot be convinced yet that PayPal is a buy. I'm not there yet. Okay, so here it is on the 330. You can see right here that the price, like I was telling you, if you buy the dip, you bought it down here in that pocket, cool. If you know when to release your position, then you can win. Meaning, if you bought it down here, and let's say you sold it up here at the high of these bars, right here, you're already up. You'll be up 5.38%. Let's say you'll hold it until it hits this pocket. That's 8.21% to maybe 9.25%, and then you'll sell it. Okay, because long term, this stock is not bullish. It's just not that. I can't see that. I can't get on board with that, especially seeing the weakness. Okay. So let's do this. I really don't like doing these things, i.e. putting sell predictions next to pockets of buying, because we already know what the market is up against or what we're up against in our prediction. We know that there's a chance that price can still hold that pocket, right? But this prediction that I'm dropping today is for the long term. All right, I'm looking at this on the long term. So our next area would be around $70.20. It's like 10% move lower. Okay, that's where we're at. So we are going to continue to anticipate the market and PayPal to go down. We already have our target there. And yeah, I think we'll leave it here. So now, as this time in PayPal goes on, and I see this market not letting go of this pocket, then yeah, I might need to change it. So that's what I'm going to be on the lookout for. But that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.